Happy first wedding anniversary, Scotty.
Happy anniversary, Baba.
Ini video kita waktu tahun lalu nikah di Jakarta. Ini pada saat kita penerbangan dari Adelaide ke Bali. Penerbangannya sejam, transit di Bali. Baru dari Bali ke Jakarta 2 jam. Di sini aku ke Jakartanya sama Scott, sama kedua orang tua Scott. With your parents ya, Scott?
Yeah.
Moira and Devi. Kita kan waktu pas nikah di Cairns itu civil wedding. Nah, pernikahan di Jakarta itu garden party ya, Kang. It's more only for family. But ya di Jakarta tuh keluarga besar aku semuanya ada. Terus kalau nikah hukum kan udah di Australia yang civil wedding itu. Nah, kalau di Jakarta aku nikah agama aja, Mas Scott. Karena kalau nikah beda negara itu di Indonesia kan ribet ya mundar-mandirnya. Lebih ringkas di Australia civil weddingnya, dan aku juga hukum di Australia juga lebih kuat daripada di Indonesia gitu. Nah, ini the next day we arrive in Jakarta, we visit my sister ya, Wina and Harry house in Bogor. They have farm. Kakak aku sama suaminya, kakak pertama aku Wina, dia punya peternakan kambing, ada bebek, ada ayam, ada burung. Jadi mereka jualan kambing dan domba itu untuk akikah, kurban, sama restoran di Bogor gitu, supplier restoran-restoran di sana lah buat kayak sate kambing atau sate domba gitu. Jadi kalian kalau mau order kambing hubungin aku ya. Just call me if you need anything for goat or sheep. Nah, ini ada ayahnya Scott. There's your parents, Devi and Moira. They look Harry's farm. Terus ada makanannya, ada kambing-kambingnya tiap hari dikasih makanan organik, terus dikasih vitamin, diurus, dimandiin tiap hari kambingnya satu-satu. It's a big farm ya, since the last time you visit Bogor.
Yeah, it's like probably 3 or 4 times the size as it was before.
Yeah, you visit Bogor
pre-COVID.
Iya, pre-COVID September 2019.
2020, I think.
2019 dong, before COVID, and then you visit again 2020.
March, yeah.
March, and then jadi Scott terakhir ke Jakarta tuh 2019 sama awal 2020 sebelum COVID gitu. Nah, ini kita lagi mempersiapkan Scott syahadat masuk Islam, karena kan nikah di Jakarta itu nikah agama gitu. Jadi Scott lagi diajarin sama imam guru ngaji keluarga aku untuk masuk Islam, baca syahadat, terus sharing tentang pernikahan Islam kayak gimana, harus respect, saling respect suami ke istri, begitupun sebaliknya gitu. Terus, do you nervous when you recite the syahadat?
Yeah, a little bit, because it didn't come easy to me remembering it.
Iya, different pronunciation ya.
Yeah.
Jadi karena di Australia aku nikahnya sipil, nggak banyak persiapan. Kalau di Indonesia itu nggak banyak yang harus dipersiapin juga sih, karena kan cuma nikah agama ya. Tapi Scott udah belajar sholat, belajar wudhu di Australia. Aku ajarin karena sama guru ngaji aku, imamnya dites dulu wudhunya udah bisa belum, sholatnya berapa rokaatnya gitu. Beda-beda, ada berapa kali sholat, berapa rokaat gitu aku yang ngajarin. Nah, ini pada saat mulai baca syahadat, ada mama aku, ada abang ipar aku, ada murid-murid guru ngajinya, imam keluarga aku gitu. Nah, ini mamaku yang kerudung hijau. That's my mom. Beside the imam ya, the green hijab. Terus ini sih momen yang baik buat kedua orang tua aku karena khususnya mamaku. Jadi mamaku tenang lah pada saat Scott udah masuk Islam. Terus tinggal akunya juga memperbaiki ibadah aku, jadi biar bisa Scott mengikuti aku ibadahnya gitu. Jadi pernikahannya baik-baik aja, insya Allah. Terus there's Ipul, ya itu abang ipar. Ya, abang ipar aku, itu suaminya Windy, kakakku yang kedua. That's my mom. Gitu. Is there anything you want to say about my makeup?
We had a nice meal there as well after.
Oh yeah, Scott really like fried chicken.
Spicy.
Bumbu ayam. Dia suka ayam goreng yang diungkep gitu loh, bumbu kuning. Nah, ini hari pernikahan kita ya, with the photographer with 360 camera. Do you like it? Enjoy the music. Jadi untuk biaya pernikahan aku sama Scott itu budgetnya sama kayak di Australia. Cuman tahu sendiri ya, kalau di Australia itu lebih mahal. Jadi dengan budget yang sama di Australia, aku sama Scott cuman bisa invite 20 orang. Tapi di Jakarta kita bisa invite 200 orang. Terus ini abang aku, my brother, Ical. Happiness moment ya Kang ya.
Yeah.
More fun with my best friend, with my family. Kalau keluarganya Scott, mostly ada di Scotland. Gitu. Your family mostly in Scotland ya, but in Indonesia when our wedding, especially in Jakarta, lots of my family.
Yeah, because you have a big family there.
Kalau Scott itu
Lots of aunties and cousins.
Iya, kalau keluarganya Scott di Australia, your family in Australia only you, your parents, and your oldest older sister in Brisbane right now ya.
Yeah.
Iya, kakaknya Scott yang pertama namanya Lorraine, dia di Brisbane. Gitu. Nah, ini video akad pernikahan kita di Jakarta. Ini aku tahu vendornya, event wedding organizernya itu dari Bright Story. Terus lagi ada kayak promo-promo gitu. Jadi persiapannya tuh aku udah kayak DP tanggal 1 tahun yang lalu. Scott, do you know when I book the wedding organizer, I need to book in advance a year ahead to secure the date? Because like with this good deal, it's sold out so fast.
Yeah.
So ya, aku harus booking. Jadi dari tahun yang lalu aku booking tuh udah DP 50%, make down payment 50%, and then the rest is taking care a month before our wedding.
Yeah.
Gitu.
Yeah, plus all the additional stuff, you ended up paying almost double what you agreed on.
Additionalnya we hire someone to stop the rain and then a lot of things gitu. Ini hadiah harga paketnya itu udah termasuk dekorasi, terus catering. Do you like the food in our wedding?
Yeah, that was okay.
Is it too spicy for you?
No.
Enggak. It's more general taste lah ya. Iya, jadi untungnya cateringnya tuh makanannya nggak terlalu pedas semuanya. Jadi Scott, your parents like the food?
Yeah, they love the food.
Iya, keluarganya Scott juga masih bisa nikmatin makanannya karena cateringnya dibuat rasanya tuh general lah, nggak terlalu pedas. Karena kalau di Jakarta kan sambelnya semua dipisah ya. Nah, ini setelah akad, guru ngaji keluarga aku, imam keluarga aku lah, kepercayaan keluarga aku ini ngasih ceramah. Di situ ada tante aku, abang aku, om aku, sepupu-sepupu. Emang hanya ngundang keluarga terdekat aja sama teman terdekat gitu. Terus abang aku nge-DJ juga, my brother at night he performance, just giving the entertainment lah ya, like DJing for our the music at night, the reception gitu. Terus nah ini video pernikahan kita. Ada ini juga dari fotografernya. Do you satisfy with the result of the picture and the video?
Yeah, it looks very professional.
Iya. And it was raining. Jadi tadinya aku mau nge-hire pawang hujan. Terus kata event organizer-nya dia belum ada orang yang bisa ngeberhentiin hujan lah, karena aku nikahnya tuh musim hujan. Terus pada saat aku lagi di make upin hujan gede banget. Terus IO-nya langsung datang. Aduh, bener-bener event organizer-nya tuh gercep deh, gerak cepat semuanya. Dia langsung nemuin pawang hujan, nawarin aku. Terus akhirnya aku DP pawang hujannya. Terus selesai aku make up dan hujan langsung berhenti, makanya kita bisa langsung akad nikah, terus proses resepsi, terus siap. Ini vendornya, aku nikahnya di Villa Sri Mangati di dekat Taman Mini Cilandak atau Cibubur, bukan Cibubur sih, pokoknya nanti aku share linknya, Villa Sri Mangati gitu. Jadi villanya tuh kayak rumah gede banget. Terus ada 3 area di villa tersebut. Ada area, there's a 3 area in the villa, a pool side, garden side, and indoor side. It's more general ya.
Yeah.
Nah ini after the party, ini best friend aku, abang aku, terus ada Shirley, terus ya kita gitu-gitu aja, nyanyi-nyanyi, dancing, karena aku keesokannya udah langsung terbang ke Bali. So we really make our limit time to catch up with our friends, with family ya Kang. Because on the next day we have to fly to Bali.
No. The next day.
Yeah, in the next day.
No, you remember I was hungover.
Oh iya.
You had to go to.
Oh ya, jadi setelah malam kita party itu, Scott hangover dia, kita minum terlalu banyak. Jadi while you stay at the apartment, I took your family, your parents around Jakarta. Yeah. To Monas and Kota Tua, the central city in Jakarta. Terus itu ada Teteh Eka, ada teman kantor kerja aku dulu di Jakarta bareng sama sahabat sekolah aku saat kuliah SMA, ada zaman SMA kuliah gitulah. Gitu. Ini kita di Helens Gunawarman. Gitu. Terus live musikan aja sambil cerita-cerita, sambil hahaha. Terus we drink gin ya Kang? Iya.
Lots of gin.
Iya, Scott bukan. You're not typical gin drinker, right?
No, but I drank like a full bottle.
We party hard on that night. Gitu. Terus Scott is more like bourbon whiskey guy. Terus ya ini nah ini dia
Bali.
Our villa in Bali. Look at the view. Do you like the villa?
Yeah, it was perfect.
It was nice pool, and then they have barbecue section, but we are not really using it. We mostly eating outside. But it must be fun if we like go there again with like family or longer time to have barbecue beside the pool ya Kang. Nah, this is our room. Gitu. Agak berantakan nih Shay, a little bit messy but still manage. we still manage. And then on the back, the bathtub, outdoor bathroom ya.
Yeah.
Tuh. Do you like the concept?
Yeah. It's nice Balinese villa.
Yeah. We wish if we have house kind of like that. Do you wanna have a house like that? The
Yeah.
concept so green, and then maybe make one free room for my walk-in closet, for our walk-in closet, for our shoe rack, and then there's the kitchen, the living room. So good. This is, I think, the concept. It's so you like woody, the what arty concept? Not arty concept. What do you call it? Scandinavian,
Yeah.
like IKEA.
I don't know. Isn't it just typical Balinese style villa?
Iya sih. Tes Moira, my mom-in-law's godparents. And iya bagus deh, ini di daerah Canggu. Can you say Canggu? Cengge. Terus ada floatingnya. We swimming at night ya Kang?
Yeah.
Kita berenang malam-malam gitu. Di sini juga kita we stay in this villa with your parents. Your parents in the other room. Basically the room same ya.
Identical.
Iya, identical room with us. Ruangannya sama, benar-benar kamarnya sama dua-duanya. Jadi nggak ada ngiri-ngirian tuh. Nah ini at night we visit my friend at the other beach club, and they have fireworks because they have a wedding as well. Jadi kayak ceritanya ala-ala kembang api celebrating nikahan kita juga ya. I wish in our wedding have the fireworks like that, but I think our wedding place in crowded neighborhood, so it's gonna be disturbing the area. But in this location, it's really nice to have big fireworks like that on the beach club. So yeah, we really enjoy it. Do you enjoy meeting my friends?
Yeah, of course. That's great.
Yeah.
Where's this?
In Sushi Place in Bali, do you remember? Every time we visit Jakarta, we always go to sushi restaurant.
Sushi Tei.
Iya, Sushi Tei. Sushi Tei is called favorite sushi place. And the other one? What is your another favorite place?
Indomart.
Scott really love Indomart. How much you spend in Indomart? Like $10 and then you got 4 shopping bags. Jadi Scott tuh setiap ke Indomaret dia kaget, katanya 100.000 kok dapatnya banyak banget. Which one do you like to buy in Indomaret? Some kind of like snacking.
Yeah, all the different fruit drinks.
Yeah,
coffees.
fruit drink. And then the next day in Bali we go to Nusa Penida ya kan, different island. 1 hour from Bali we go
Was it 1 hour? Was it just like 20 minutes or something?
Iya 20 almost 30 minutes lah. Iya, jadi kita naik kapal dari Sanur ke Nusa Penida bareng sama Scott gitu, foto-foto di sana. Do you remember this one? The fish?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy it? Do you feel
it was
tickle?
nice. Yeah, it was pleasant.
Yeah. You didn't feel anything after that, the aftermath? Do you feel like your body feel a little bit lighter, or do you feel any fever after this treatment?
fever.
Iya, fever because your dad after getting this treatment.
I was sick as well, remember?
Oh iya, jadi Scott itu karena dia udah hangover di Jakarta. I think we just too tired after our event in Jakarta ya. So in Bali you're not in really good condition. So this is you and your dad. Ini Scott sama ayahnya di Bali. Do you really enjoy it? The barbershop in Indonesia?
Yeah, it's a good full service. It's cheap.
Iya,
It's good.
$10 and then you get your body massage, not body, just head massage and then wax ya. Wax your ear, your nose. And your dad, look at your dad, he really enjoying it. Like feels like a king ya, Kang.
Yeah.
Itu Scott sama di sampingnya bapaknya Scott namanya Davy. Hai Davy, benar-benar mirip ya. You look like a twin with your dad. Scott version in the next 10 years. Davy sama Scott di barbershop Bali nih 100.000 Cong. Udah dicukur, di wax, dipijitin kepalanya. Sebenarnya mungkin karena potongan Scott gampang ya, dia kayak karena cuman botak sama cuman jenggot doang. I think it's cheap because you only like for bald hair, not like styling hair.
Yeah, it's cheap anyway. It's like half the price.
Iya, you sleepy? Too much talking. Do you want to say anything? Our wish for our marriage. So this one is only the picture of our family, your parents at Kota Tua.
The cousins.
Yeah, you want to say anything before we finish the video?
No, well, it's been a great first year, and hopefully there's lots of more good years to come.
Yeay! Harapannya semoga tahun depan lebih baik lagi. Nah, ini foto-foto kita di Bali dan pernikahan di Jakarta. Ini kedua orang tua aku sama keluarganya Scott. Sampai ketemu di video selanjutnya. Bye!